Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you're like me and you're always needing a snack with you on the go because you can't risk getting hangry, RX bars are the way to go, I think, because I don't have to worry about any added sugar, which is incredible. This one is peanut butter chocolate and it keeps the ingredients so simple and upfront. So I love that. I love that I can read all of the ingredients, understand them, and I'm getting 12 grams of protein and no added sugar. But what really amazes me about RX bars, it's really yummy. Like, it's not a protein bar that I need to suffer through. Right away, you can smell that it's chocolate and peanuts. You can see the peanuts in the bar there. Look at that piece of chocolate. Come on. Real chocolate and peanuts. I mean, you can't go wrong. This is incredible. When I'm counting macros, but I don't want to add sugar, this makes things so simple and tasty. It's real food, real fuel. Can't go wrong. If you love chocolate and peanut butter and you need a simple snack, I highly recommend these RX bars, but that's just my point of view.